How to install a ZLF30AC. It is important to position the appliance in its final operational position, as it isn't recommended that the appliance get moved after the water has been added. After the appliance has been positioned, open the door and remove the accessories provided. Remove the screwdriver. Remove the dipstick. Remove the blow dye bottle. Remove the water funnel. Remove the 5-liter water container. Position the shelves, as illustrated. Remove the user instruction manual. Remove the 11 compressor cover screws as illustrated. Remove the compressor cover. Remove the filler cap. Insert the water funnel into the filler hole. Pour the blow dye into the water tank. Pour 45 liters water into the water tank. Remove the water funnel and insert the dipstick into the water hole as illustrated. The water level should be anywhere between the two notches as seen in the video. Place the filler cap back into position. Place the compressor cover back into position. Place and tighten the 11 compressor screws.